Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. As you can see, I have a very beautiful pure silk Pochampalli ikat sari here displayed on our mannequin. It's very pretty. Now this particular sari is in a single blue color. It's a beautiful color. If you see closely, the motifs are also very pretty. This is a double ikat sari. The price range of the saris that I'm showing today is going to be from 25,000 to 30,000. That's the price range. At Pratha, we have ikat soft silks which are priced around 13,000. We also have Pochampalli ikats which are priced around 18,000. This is obviously a superior range in terms of the workmanship, the designs, everything. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you different colors and combinations in this particular pattern. Let's begin. Now this is a very beautiful sari. It has shades of yellow in it. If you see, the figures are also different. Usually the ones that I show are a particular type. Now these figures, these particular sari designs have intricate designs, more designs. They have more color shades in them. As you all know, ikat is a very difficult art in terms of weaving saris. The threads are shaded in different colors first, then they are woven according to the designs. It's a very intricate and very difficult art to even achieve excellence in. So yes, this particular silk sari has, Pochampalli silk sari has a plain border. So if you don't want something which has too much of zari, if you want something which is slightly simple, subtle, yet very exclusive, then this is for you. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next saree is, if you ask me, it is my favorite from this particular lot. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a very beautiful dark deep brown color. Just look at the beautiful motifs. It has these lovely peacock motifs. I love the set of colors that come together against this beautiful brown, deep brown backdrop. So yes, this is it. This is how the borders will look together, and the price of this saree is 24,000 something. I'm not disclosing the exact prices because I want you all to inquire, connect with our WhatsApp team. Our WhatsApp team will be able to share more photos, videos with you all, and feel free to place your orders. So yes, this is it. Let's move to the next one. Pochampalli is a place in South India, in Telangana, where these saris are woven. The art of ikat is also woven in Gujarat, in India. It is also woven in Orissa. However, the style of weaving, the motifs, the intricacy is different in different regions. Orissa, you get Sambalpuri ikat. In Gujarat, you get Patan Patola, you get Rajkot Patola, which have different shades and flavors to the same basic art of tie and dye, right? So yes, now this is the next one. It's a beautiful shade of greenish grey, very pretty. This particular sari has a lovely zari border. This is how it looks. The price of this one is around 28,000. If you like it, please go ahead. I love this sari. So if you want something for a festive occasion with a zari border, but you don't want the usual butta saris, if you already have a Paithani, Gadwal, Kanjivaram, then this is something you should definitely consider. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to our team on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last sari of this video. Another stunning piece. Now this is a very pretty ruby pink, a beautiful shade of pink. Again, a single colored sari. If it was me, I will definitely think of combining this sari with a nice mustard yellow or mango yellow colored blouse. It will look very nice. Or I can also team this up with a mustard yellow colored ikat, which does not have too many colors but still has ikat design on it. I will try and show you sometime soon how we can style different blouses with ikat saris. So yes, this is it. An absolutely pretty one. If you like this one, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our ikat collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have many saris stocked up for this festive season. We are coming up with many exhibitions before Diwali, so stay tuned for a lot of updates from our end. A store in Pune at Bhandarkar Road and another very beautiful store in Thane at Ram Maruti Road. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.